Okay, Assalamualaikum. So today, me and my partner Farul Razif and Zain Abidin, my name is Amraiman Bikamuddin. We are going to go to construction site where there is an backhoe machine that we're going to use for our hydraulic field study. So let's go.
Okay, before we arrive at the destination, I'm going to explain a little bit about the hydraulic that in the backhoe machine that we choose for our field study. This is the control valve which block and let the fluid flow to the hydraulic ram, and this is the pump that used to pump the fluid. And this is the hydraulic ram that combos retract and extract at the hydraulic rods. What's going to happen is that the fluid from the pump will block by the control valve, and when the lever is pushed or pulled, it will let the fluid flow into the hydraulic ram, which is gonna let the hydraulic ram to extract or retract. And that is a little bit of explanation for the backhoe machine hydraulic application that we chose for our field study.
Okay, so today we are here at Setia excavation site. So today we're going to explain a little bit about excavator that use hydraulic in it. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, me and my partner, my name is Farul Razif and my partner Amirul Ahmad, we are going to do our field study at excavation site that is located behind DIY at Ikonia. So today we are going to do a video about how does an excavator work. So if you like to see, please look after this.